Hey guys, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com. Today we're going to be learning a Bob Seger song, Roll Me Away from 1982. Let's take a listen. Alright guys, like I said, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com, where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to learn to play piano online. You can do it. You just have to pick the right lessons, and you have to know how to practice, and that's what I'm going to help you to do. So let's get started with this. All right, so we see our part one lesson here. All of the lessons for this, as usual, are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. If you are a member, you can download the sheets for this. That's very helpful. They are HD sheets, and look how clear they are, even when you zoom them in really close like that. All right, but Bob Seger is one of those who has a great piano player, just like Leonard Skinner had a great piano player. The Rolling Stones had a great piano player. So certain bands, the piano is just kind of a staple of their sound. Bob Seger is one of those guys. I've done lots of other Bob Seger lessons, so you can really get a lot out of the site by studying those. But let's look at the beginning of this. All right, so we have a C chord. All right, and what I wanted to show you today is this chord right here. It's an F chord. Okay, you probably know C chord, hopefully. C, E, G. If you don't, here it is, C, E, G. You can mix the notes around, but it's still a C chord. When we get here, this is called a 4 chord. It's an FAC chord. 4 chord's a very common chord. C is 1, so F is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, FAC. We build a chord right there. Now we add this note on top. So a lot of times that chord will be called 4, add 6. So it's an F chord, add 6. Why 6? Because D is a sixth away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has that sound. Some people might be a stickler and call that, well, that's D minor 7 with the third and the bass. Yeah, you can, but in this context, it's just an F chord, add 6. All right? And to hear the difference, okay, a lot of us look at things on paper so much, we forget the real issue is hearing it, what it sounds like. If I just play an F chord and I do this, can you hear that? Here's nice and clean. We played a C chord, F chord. But if I do this, hear how that really changes the sound. Here's an F chord. Now add the D. To me, it sounds like a little more cloudy, a little clouded. If you add that sixth in there, that's kind of clean sounding. And then, so if you hear that sound, F, add 6, or D minor 7 if you want. Okay? So adding that D. So if you want to spice up your 4 chords, just add that 6th in there. You can also do it to a C chord. There's a C. I add an A in there, that note above. Okay? All right, so there's your little chord lesson for today. All right, so we start with E, G, C, 1, 2, 5, left hand on a C, 1 and 2, and. So that next C chord comes on the and of 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. On 4, he plays the E again, and then E, G, C. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Make sure you change your pedal here as we go to this chord. Nice, clean pedal change. Now we do that FAC with 1, 2, 4, and the 5th finger does the D. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Count 4 is G to A. Right hand, our top note's a C. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Put those two measures together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Back to C chord. 1 and 2 and 3. Right, on part 2 we'll learn how to do that little country third with an added note. Ba-da-da-dum. Really cool. It's one of the things the piano player for Bob Seger does all the time. So let's do it all. And go. 1, 2. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that part 1 lesson. Hey, check us out on Instagram. We have a lot of exclusive Instagram stuff that we don't put anywhere else that people are just loving and eating up. Check us out. Talk to you later.